Question number 66 onwards. Now in this 66. Now 66 to 70 it is based on secular arrangement. How many people we have? There are some 8 people, A, B, C, D, F, G and H. And they are seated around a circular table facing towards the center is given. As circular table facing towards the center, it must be the first priority. Hence 8 persons were there, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in the first one, only 3 people between A and F. 3 in between A and F means if A is here, F is here. They are opposite to each other. And only 2 people between A and B. How many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. Only 2 people between A and B. And in the second case, this B is to the right hand side of E. And only 2. H sits to the immediate left of B. H is to the immediate left of B. And in the first case, H is to the immediate left of B is invalid. Hence we have left with only 1 possibility here. And next one, only 3 people between H and C. And H and C are opposite to each other. And C is an immediate neighbor of both these 2 persons, E and G. ERG and ERG is here. Then who is the person left over? D is the person left over. And G is not an immediate neighbor of A. Now G and A cannot be adjacent to each other. Hence G and E are not adjacent. G is here and E is at this place. Done with this? Then who is sitting second to the left of C? Second to the left of C, that is F, choice 4. Then 67, who is sitting exactly between the one who is to the immediate left of A and the one who is to the immediate right of F. Immediate left of A is E, immediate right of F is Z. Now between these 2 persons, who is that person? C. Choice 4, question number 67. And what is G's position with respect to the one who is to the immediate left of B? Immediate left of B is F. G's position with respect to F. Immediate left of whom? Immediate left of B is H. And G's position with respect to H, either third to the right or fifth to the left. And third to the right, that is choice 3 is given. And 4 out of the following, A, C and E. Now A, C and E, A and C, E is exactly between A and C, isn't it? And again D and E, D and E, in between D and E, A is exactly between D and E. Now the third person is exactly between the first 2 persons. And B and G. Now between B and G, F is exactly between. C and F. Between C and F, G is exactly between. F and H, that is B. Isn't it? Now in all the given choices, the condition is valid. Then what is the odd one we have? What's up an odd one? And AC. Now AC, A to C, clockwise plus 2, isn't it? Minus 1. E and D. E and D, it is clockwise or anti-clockwise? D to E. D to E clockwise and A is anti-clockwise. B, G and F. Now B, G and F. Now from B, G is anti-clockwise and F is clockwise. Hence what is your answer? Choice 3, except choice 3. And the remaining are following the same pattern. Then coming to 17, how many people are in between E and B? Now E and B are opposite to each other. That means there are exactly 3 people in between these 2. Choice 2, question number 70. And 71. Now in this question number 71, they are based on set of words. Now in each of these, in each of the given questions, each consonant is changed to the previous letter. And how many verses found will have at least 1 word. Each consonant changed to the previous letter. T minus 1 is what? S. And vowel, each vowel next letter. And U plus 1 is B, B minus 1 is A. And A is a vowel. A plus 1, B. L minus 1 is K. And P minus 1 is O. And similarly here again. Now there is no necessity for you to check out vowels. Why? Because vowel plus 1 will be a consonant but not a vowel. The question is about vowel. Hence please do not get worried about these vowels at all. Vowel plus 1 cannot be a vowel. Now we need to focus only on the consonants. Now consonant T minus 1 yes, B minus 1 A, it is a vowel. L minus 1 K, P minus 1 O, it is a vowel. And B minus 1 is A and Y minus 1 is X. W minus 1 is V, G minus 1 H. C minus B, 1 is B, T minus 1 S. And in how many words we have? There are in 3 words we have vowels. That is 3, choice 5, question number 71. Then 72. Now in this one, how many letters are there in the English alphabetical series between the second letter of the word which is second from the right? Which is second from the right? Wig. Now what is the second letter? I. And the second letter of the word which is second from the left? Second from the left is ALP. What is the second letter? L. Now between these two, how many letters are there in the English alphabet? There are 2 vowels, J and K. And 2, that is given in choice 5, question number 72. And 73, the positions of the first and the third alphabets of each of the words are interchanged. Then which of the following will form a meaningful word? The first and the third are interchanged. BUT is a word. And next one, PLA is not a word. EYB, GIW, TUC. And so many words? There is only one word, that is choice 173. Then 74, the first alphabet in each of the given words is changed to the next alphabet. First is changed to the next alphabet. How many words having 2 vowels? And T plus 1 U, and here A plus 1 is B, and B plus 1 is C, W plus 1 is X, C plus 1 is D. Now how many vowels we have? Having 2 vowels. Now only in the first one we have 2 vowels, that is U and U. Choice 1, question number 74. Then in this 75, now the given words are arranged in the alphabet, and if the given words are arranged in the order as they would appear in an extended from left to right, which of the following will be fourth from the left hand side? Fourth from the left hand side is nothing but all these words are arranged in the alphabetical order. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now fourth from the left hand side is tub. Tub, that is choice 4, question number 75. Then in this one 76, now what is the word we have? Sector. Now sector is the word SCCTOR. Now in this word sector, RDDUNQ. RDDUNQ. Sector is RDDUNQ. RDDUNQ. Now in this, how is course written in this one? COURSC. Now what is the difference between S and R? S and R, here the difference is -1, -1. C and D +1, +1. O and N -1, -1. And similarly here again -1, -1, +1, +1, -1, -1. C -1 is B, O -1 is N. U +1 is V, R +1 is S. S -1 is R, E -1 is D. B N V S R D. B N V S R D, choice 5, question number 76. Then 77 onwards, they are based on boxes here. How many boxes we have? All together we have some 8 boxes. And these 8 boxes are stacked one above the other. Number of boxes above to teal is 1 less than the number of boxes below to yellow. And white box is just above to teal, and green box is just below to yellow. As of now, there is no definite information we have. And 4 boxes between green and orange. And at the same time, green and orange. And green box is below to yellow box. Isn't it? And how many boxes we have? 4 boxes between green and orange. Orange is above to green. Orange is above to green color box. Let us take oranges here. There are 4 boxes in between. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is green. And there you go. And so altogether how many boxes were? There as of now 6 boxes. And brown box is, and next one 4. Green box is just below to yellow. Now green is just below to yellow. Yellow must be at this place. And yellow is at this place. And brown is immediate to neither green nor teal. Black box is about to blue box. Now this is what the information we have. As of now, how many boxes we have? 6 boxes. And one more information we have between these two. And what is that one here? And white box is just about to teal. White is just about to teal. As white is just about to teal, white and teal must be together. And white and teal must be together. As of now, we have 6 boxes. Now this white and teal can be before this one, or in between, or after this one. And together after green. Now if you take white and green at this place, this is just a possibility I am talking about. Now white and green at this place, white and teal. And together white and teal. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes were there. If white and teal were like this, then check out this condition here. Number of boxes above to teal. How many were there? There is only 1. And this is 1 lesser than the number of boxes below yellow. Below yellow, how many are there? There is only 1. Isn't it? If the condition is given like this, number of boxes above to teal is equal to the number of boxes below to yellow, this is the case. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి, గ్రీన్ కన్నా ఎల్లో కన్నా కింద ఒకటే ఉంది. అప్పుడు టీల్ కన్నా పైన ఎన్ని ఉండాలి? 0. 1 - 1 is 0. But it's here we are having equal, hence white and teal cannot be at the first place. First two places. Are you following this one or not? Then what is the next case we have? Next let us take here white and teal. Now if you take white and teal like this, and how many boxes are above this teal box? 2. Isn't it? Hence below this yellow there must be 3. Because number of boxes above teal is 1 less than the number of boxes below yellow. Below yellow 3, above this teal 3 - 1, that is 2. Hence how many boxes were there? 8 boxes. And white and teal were adjacent to each other. And coming to this one, brown is immediate to neither green nor teal. Brown cannot be here, brown cannot be here. What is the only place left over? Brown is here. And regarding black is about to blue. Now this is black and which is about to blue, and this is blue box. Done with this? Then which box is at the top? Orange is at the top. Orange, that is given in choice 5, question number 77. Then 78. How many boxes are above to blue box? Above to blue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 above to this one, choice 4. And what is the position of green box? Now tell me what is the position of green box here? Second from the top is false. And third from the bottom definitely to choice 2, question number 79. Isn't it? Now 2 and 4 were given. Now we need to check for the fourth one as well. Immediate to blue box. Green is immediate to blue. That is also true. Hence what is your answer? Both 2 and 4, choice 5, question number 79. And 80, which is at third from the top? Third from the top, that is teal, choice 1, 80. And 81, which among the following is odd one? Orange and teal. There is one box between these two. Black and green. Again there is one box. Brown and blue. Brown and blue, they are adjacent to each other except choice 3. And in the remaining what is happening here? And these two are in the alternate places. Then coming to 82. 82, it is based on individual question here. And what is the word given? Harmony. Now in this word harmony, H-A-R-M-O-N-Y, harmony. Now in this word harmony, each vowel of the word is changed to the next letter. Vowel changed to the next letter means A will become B and O will become P. Vowel changed to the next letter, and in the same way, consonant previous letter. H - 1G, R - 1Q, M - 1L, N - 1 and Y - 1. And if all the letters of the new word thus formed are arranged in the alphabetical order from left to right, which are the following will appear exact in the minute. And now all the letters are arranged in the alphabetical order, that is BZ, and next one LM. Now the question is about exact at the center. M is exact at the center, choice 3, question number 82. The next one 83. And how many pairs of letters are there in the word skeptical? SCEPTICAL. Now in this word skeptical, each of as many letters between them as in the English alphabet. Now starting with S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And next one C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, P, Q, R, S, T, U, T, U, V, W, X, and so on, I, J, K, L. Now I to L. How many letters we have? We have 2 letters. I, J, K, L, C, D, and so on. Left to right, there is only one pair. And again in the reverse L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, I, J, K, L, M, N, T, no letter more than P, Q, R, S. And so how many pairs we have? Only 2. Only 2, that is choice 2, question number 83. Then 84. Now if it is possible to make one meaningful English word with 2, 4, 6, 7. Now 2, 4, 6 and 7. What are the letters we have? O, N, E, D. Now O, N, E, D with the help of these 4 letters. Tell me what are the words we can able to find? Done is first word. And next one, N-O-D-E, node. Node is the second one. And 2 words that can be found, more than one such word can be found. Mark Z as your answer. And choice 3, question number 84. And 85 onwards, and they are based on coded inequalities here, 85. Now in this 85, the relation between G and F. Tell me what is your answer here? G and F. G is here and F is here. Which letter is common? E. G greater than E, E greater than or equals to F, and G greater than F is definitely true. Then next one, D and L. D to E, D greater than or equals to E, E greater than or equals to L, D greater than or equals to L, definitely true. Hence, what is your answer? Both the conclusions are true, both 1 and 2, choice 4, 85. Then 86, the relation between A and N. A and N, two opposite symbols, so no relation. And next one, P and K. Now between P and K, which symbol is common? Greater than or equals to. Hence, definitely true, only 2 is true, choice 1, 86. Then 87, now in this 87, R and S. R and S, M is here, R and S, tell me which element is common here, M is common. M lesser than or equals to S, M greater than or equals to R means R lesser than or equals to M. Now between R and S, R lesser than or equals to S is true, greater than S is false. And relation between G and M, 1 greater than, 1 lesser than, two opposite symbols. Neither 1 nor 2, choice 4, question number 87. And next 88, the relation between C and S. Now between C and S, lesser than, greater than, two opposite symbols, so no relation. Hence neither 1 nor 2, choice 2, 88. Next one, 89, the relation between B and D, which element is common here? And B, L, U, E, and U is common. B greater than or equals to U, U greater than or equals to D, hence B greater than or equals to D, definitely true. Then second, M and E. M is here, E is here, which element is common? U. M greater than or equals to U, and U lesser than or equals to E, opposite symbol, no relation. Hence what is your answer? Only 1. Only 1, that is choice 2, question number 89. Then 90 onwards. Now in this question number 90 onwards, now Soham starts from point A, walks 6 meters towards north. Now this is the starting point of Soham. From here, this Soham walks how many meters? 6 meters towards north. And walks 6 meters towards north and reaches point B. And he then takes right hand and walks 13 meters to reach point. So from here, right hand side, 13 meters and reaches point C. And he then takes right hand and walks 13 meters to reach point. From here, right hand side and reaches 13 meters, 36 plus 7, 13 and reaches point D. And he takes another right hand and walks 8 meters and reaches point E. From here, he turns right and walks 8 meters and reaches point E. And he then takes final right turn and walks 7 meters after reaching point F. After reaching this one, and he turns right and reaches to point F, which is 7 meters. Then if Z is 10 meters to the west of C, and Z is 10 meters to the west of C, hence Z is 10 meters is, that means somewhere in between here. Z is 10 meters. On the and 13, this is 10 and this would be 3. Z is 10 meters to the west of C. In which direction is Z with respect to E? Now Z with respect to E here. Now from E, in order to reach to Z, first I need to move towards north and west to northwest. And northwest, and it is choice 5, question number 90. And 91, in which direction is D with respect to A? Now the D with respect to A, from A in order to reach to D, first I need to move towards south, then towards east, south and east to southeast, choice 191. Then 92, how far and in which direction is A with respect to F? Now we need to find out the direction of A and F. Yes, what is the distance between these two? Total distance is how much? 13. Out of which this distance is 8. Now if this is 8, the left over will be how much? Only 5 meters. 5 meters towards which direction? West. West, that is choice 5, question number 92. Then 93 to 95, they are based on blood relations. Now in this blood relations, A is the only daughter of B. And who is this A? A is the only daughter of B, can be written like this. B is here, A is here, A is the only daughter, and C is the only son of B. Now that means, now this B is having only 2 children. And one is A, the other one is C. One is daughter, one son and a daughter. And R is married to A. R and A are married to each other. R is married to A. And next one, D is the only sister-in-law of R. As D is the sister-in-law of R, that means sister-in-law means either spouse's sister or brother's wife. And spouse's sister, and R is the only child of his parents. Only child of his parents means spouse's sister should be there. Spouse's sister, is it possible? Not possible. Clear? And again, R is the only child of his parents. Only child of his parents means, and brother's wife is not possible. Clear? Hence, R is the only child of his parents. And next one, G is the mother-in-law of A. G is the mother-in-law of A, G is a female. That is R's mother. And U is the father-in-law of G. U is the father-in-law of G means G's husband's father is U is the father-in-law of G. Done with this one? And let us keep this one aside. D is the only sister-in-law of R. Then as D negated. And D, how is D related to B? How is D related to B? Then D is the only sister-in-law of R. Only sister-in-law of R ante manaki em ravali cheppandi? Only sister-in-law of A. Ikkada R kadani, A pettukondi. And D is the only sister-in-law of A raskondi. If D is the only sister-in-law of A, that means A's brother's wife. Avuna kada? A's brother is C, brother's wife is D, then D is the only sister-in-law of A. Then next one, how is D related to B? How is D related to B? B is son's wife. Son's wife is daughter-in-law, choice 193. Then 94, if H is the father-in-law of M, H is the father-in-law of A. Father-in-law means spouse's father. That means H and G and H are married to each other. Ante kada? H is the father-in-law. Then how is U related to H? H, and how is U related to H here? Now H is the husband. That means H is here. How is H related to U? U is the father of H. And so father, choice 394. And next one, how is R related to U? R related to U? U's son's son. Son's son is grandson. Grandson, that is choice 295. 95 is choice 2. Then 96 to 100. Now in this 96 to 100, they are based on logically follows. Now in this, all lines are sentences. How to represent this one? These are the lines that are sentences. All these lines are sentences. Some sentences are paragraphs. Now according to this one, no paragraph is a line, definitely true. And some paragraphs are lines is false. As no paragraph is a line is true, to make this one false, then I need to write down some paragraphs are lines. True ainda leda? Alternate diagram true. And some paragraphs are lines has become. Intaku mundu false and affirmative conclusion, now it has become true. Hence what is your answer? A is the one, not 2, choice 196. Then coming to this 97, some papers. And some of the papers are notes. Now these are the papers that are notes. And no note is a document, no intersection between note and a document. And first one, some notes are papers. Some papers are notes, some notes are papers, one and the same. No paper being a document is a possible. Paper is here, document is here. As of now, no paper is a document. True or false? It is possible or not? Yes, it is possible. Then what is your answer here? Both 1 and 2, choice 597. Then 98. Some buildings are towers. Now these are the buildings that are towers. And at the same time, some towers are offices. Then first one, some offices are buildings, that is false. Some offices are towers, definitely true. Hence what is your answer? Only 2. Only 2, that is choice 498. Then 99, all comics are books. Now these are the comics that are books. And no book is a study. No intersection between book and a study. And first one, all books are comics is false. No comic is a study, definitely true. As no comic is a study is true, to make this one false, I need to draw some comics are studies. Some comics are studies. No, not false. Because if you write like this, no book is a study will become false. Alternate diagram cannot be drawn. This will be true forever. Only 2, choice 599. And coming to this 100, and some pathways are highways. Now these are the pathways that are highways, pathways and highways, and all roads are highways. Now this entire road is a part of highway. And all paths are road, that is false. And no pathway is a road, no pathway is a road is definitely true. As no pathway is a road is definitely true, then to make this one false, I need to draw some pathways are road, pathway and a road. Yes. Hence, inta mundu false and then all pathways are road. Is it true now? Only some pathways are road is true, but not all. Hence, what is your answer? Neither 1 nor 2, choice 5, question number 100. Clear?